Hi, my name is Wang. I'm an ACCA member. I'm grateful to share with you on the APM Advanced Performance Management topic. Today, I would like to share regarding performance reports. It is tested in session B, one questions in the syllabus of 2026 and 2027. Keywords. Every company has its mission, what the company wants to become and to achieve in the market. From the mission itself, then we will have objective, how the objective the company has to help them to achieve the missions of the company, right? So in performance report as well, usually, right, the audience is the board of directors, which is at the strategy level, which means the contents of the performance reports should be relevant to the audience. Information itself, whether it is overlooked, whether it's too much information, or whether it is only consists of financial information, right? And this information, whether it's useful for assessing whether the company is able to achieve the objective, all right? And after the achievement of the objective, they fulfill their mission, right? Narrative. Because we know that performance reports not prepared by the directors, right? So, uh, they should have the narrative information for the director's attentions, whether like there is an increase in the sales, what is the reason, what is the factors contributed to that increase. So the narrative is very important. So last two is regarding financial and non-financial. Performance reports, we had financial, which like the revenue, cost of sale, right? And profit for the year. While the non-financials, let's say the company, the objective to satisfy the customer uh, in purchasing their product. So what's the opinion of the customer? So this would be non-financial. So whether the report itself, financial report itself, contains such non-financial information for the company to judge, to justify whether they achieve their mission, whether they achieve their objective. So actually, this hard right performance reports is not where it's not too complicated, right? So long when you submit the question, right, you uh, look at these keywords one by one, right? Assess whether the report itself serve its purpose. So be careful that do not uh, do not that means they do not try to assess the performance of the company because in the past, right, the examiners take or that means in their examiner report noted that right many students tend to that means provide assessment on the performance of the company, right? But what the question really asks is about whether the performance reports fulfill its purpose to then assess whether the company achieve its mission. So let's look at one that means example in the past question regarding this. So this one is we call a Soulseat Hotel, right? Which appeared in March, June 2025, Session A, Part I. So you can access the question while the practice platform using your SCCA credential. So you can through this practice platform, you can assign that the exam to yourself. Then you can sit for the exam like in the computer-based environment. Then after that, you're able to see the answer, compare the answer. So this one is session A, part I. So this question actually consists of 14 marks, and it is regarding the whether the requirements, the embedded requirement from the board of director is to assess whether the performance reports are enough to say that the Soulseat Hotel perform in a good direction. So the report itself will serve its purpose. So be careful on this. So we use the keywords. We try to because there are 14 marks, right? So assessments of the suitability, the usefulness of the performance reports, right? So very important. We need to know what the mission. So the Soulseat Hotel, right? They want to be the best budget hotel chain in the country, right? And how they want to achieve this through the objective of providing the quality and affordable hotel rooms to the guests and provide suitable development opportunity to workers. All right. So from here, we will see whether the performance reports have such informations for the board of director, for the management to assess whether they achieve the objective and whether they achieve their mission. So in the this question, the audit is board of Soulseat Hotels. Okay. Nevertheless, in the performance reports uh, that presented in the appendix, right? It consists of the quarter information. Okay, means that like January to March, March to June, and so on. And then there is a total of the that year's financial figures, and then compare with the last year. And then this is what the reports presented in the question, right? So when we examine whether this is appropriate for the audience assessment, who is the audience of the user of the the reports is the board of director of Soulseat Hotel. They are at the strategy level. As you know, when we present so much information, whether it is very good for the board of directors to make a strategic decision. So it is too detailed. That means it is not very useful. So that's how you assess and you provide the information based on that means uh, the questions and the scenario, the information in the that provided what the performance reports lacking of, because this is what the requirement is right in this question. Then we move on narrative. So the report itself only provides the financial figures, some ratio, some percentage of the calculation, right? EPS and so on, but they don't have the narrative to give the attention to the board director why such that means change of when compared to last year. So these external information is very useful because when they compare like the growth in the economy of India, right? So when they incorporate the external informations and assess based on the and then compare with the external information and whether the Soulseat hotels whether it's in a good position. So such narrative informations can be very useful for both of director to make a good decisions, right? So that is what the appendix financial reports not provided, which is no narrative information. And financial. So here, actually, when compared from this year to last year, the revenue actually increased, right? So when we look at the like quality and affordable hotel rooms, right? So indirectly, revenue growth can means that okay, they are increasing the number of guests to stay in Soulseat Hotel. So indirectly, that whether it's enough. So financial information only like because we see the objective is about quality and affordable hotel rooms. So what the other information is needed in order to access the affordable hotel rooms? So you can give the example like maybe the I mean the revenue the room occupancy, right? So how many rooms of the rate of occupancy can be useful, right? In assessing whether mm, the utilization rate is uh, high when compared to the last year. So you give the because the question also asks whether any other in, information needed, whether any other key performance indicators needed that you must justify why you say to have such information like the occupancy rate, right? So non-financial. So in the financial report itself, there are no information regarding like turnover rate because we say suitable development opportunity to workers, right? So worker view of the work environment actually is non-financial. Uh, whether they're certified about the uh, working environments in Soulseat Hotel. So such information not available. So we can and you can suggest okay they have the like uh, employee survey form to give the rating whether they are enough training for them to master the job in the service industry, which is the Sourcing Hotel. So when they have this, and then one more thing is that because this one is hotel, right? In hotel, we think as a whole, right? Uh, whether they perform better than their competitors. So the competitor information also very useful, right? So here, when you when you assess based on all these I mean puzzle, you put all this together, you see the clearer pictures is there. So when you play out your answer and then you try to assess whether the performance reports is good for assessing the South Hotel performance. So this is how you should that means plan for. It's not like okay how they can do to increase their revenue, what initiative they need to take to attract more customer. All these all these like what I mentioned just now, actually this one is for the as strategic business leader subject, which is to provide business analysis. This one is advanced performance management. You must have the mindset, that means correct mindset, so that you won't fall into the trap that you're providing the assessment of the performance of the company. Instead, you assess whether the performance report, the layout, the detail, and so on, whether is appropriate for them for the board of directors to understand the company performance. All right, the performance report itself, good or not. So this is the difference. Hopes that this sharing can help you to uh, be prepared for these questions, this type of question, because actually these performance reports, right? is very direct and also not complicated. So long you find the information from the questions and then you put into the perspective, then you're able to come out with the point, and then with your justifications to able you're able to earn more than seven because this one 14 marks, so you're able to earn more than seven, eight, nine, and 10 like that. Then you pass with the how to say professional skill mark, right? So you can get a pass for this type of questions, which is quite a bonus for the 2026 and 2027 syllabus. The student who take this exam right in from September 2026 to uh, next year, June 2027. So I'm going to post again in next week, right, for the other topic. So I hope my sharing is useful for you. And by the way, I want to share that I already published my summary of the knowledge, and one of the applications which was answered by me, and then how the marks given, and then the essential strategies you can use, right, are already presented in the Kindle ebook titled Passing ACCA APM with Simple Tips. All right. So hope that you if you want to know more, feel free to go through the description and also the comment side. So I will put the link there for you to access. Thank you so much. Goodbye.